Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, remote engine start, power telescoping steering column, auto dimming rear view mirror, and turbo V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.